Hi, I'm Stu, the Yoda Backpacker, and this is my year-long backpacking adventure around the world. And I'm currently in Valladolid. If you're following my adventures, you'll know that I've had problems with the laptop, and a new laptop is coming around from UK. And in the meantime, we were going to be staying in Merida until we got it. But we fancied a couple of days away, me and the travel buddy Shane, and here we are now. Got here late last night. We leave tomorrow morning in about 24 hours. We've hired bikes. We're out in the countryside of Mexico. We're going to see what we can do in 24 hours. So this is the bike we've hired for the 12 hours. No brakes anywhere. This is going to be fun. So we've come across our very first little obstacle. So behind me I've got a big tip. A lot of mud and a lot of vultures. This is fun. So we're at our first stop in a quick history lesson. Dinosaurs got killed billions of years ago because of a meteor that landed not too far away from here. When the meteor landed onto the earth, it splintered off into various directions. When it landed, it caused cenotes to be formed. And we are at the very first one. Do you want to see it? Let's go. Look at that.
Nou, lekker. Ja. Nee. Oh ja, niet meer nee, ik ben eruit. Maar ik snap het, ik vind het gewoon. Maar dit altijd.
Yes.
So that was cenote number 1. Time for number 2. Back in the bikes. Let's go. So this is Cenotes number 2, and life jackets are mandatory for all cenotes that we go into, so there's no chance of me drowning, at least not yet. So this would have been number 4 of the cenotes that we have seen today. However, it's meant to be one of the cheapest ones. Unfortunately, they try to charge us 100 pesos to go in for a 10-minute dip and have a look around. But I'm on a budget. We're on a budget. So unfortunately, we've only just done the 3, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm happy with them. We've now got an hour to cycle back. I'll sleep well tonight.
Cuando voy a la mina llevando mi pan y bien de mi santa, claro machete en mi calabazo algo fresco para tomar, con mi perro detrás y conejo en mis ojos si acaso puedo cazar. Pienso en ti porque tú eres la más gentil, la más linda mestiza de...
Hi, we've just not long dropped the bikes off and just had something to eat. The guy in the bike shop said this church behind me tonight will be on a light show. So I just thought I'd show you before the light show starts tonight. What it looks like now.
You on a journey through the history of this magical town. From ancient times, the peninsula of Yucatan has been the home of the Mayan people in Central America. Under the chiefdom of Pupul, Saki became the capital of a mighty army of warriors. At the same time, Francisco de Montejo and his army of Spanish men arrived to conquer. And along with military equipment, they brought a lethal weapon, new diseases. After intense battles, Saki was taken by the Spanish army. This land is located in the middle of two sinkholes, and times of conflict and change would arise in the great Saki. On behalf of the Spanish crown, the city was refounded under the name of Valladolid, merging two cultures in search of a new identity. The friars became so powerful that the trustees of the king set the convent on fire twice.
So that is our time up in Valladolid, and it's time to go back to Merida. We're at the bus station now, and I'm going back for at least 2 days of sleep because it's been manic. This place is a recommendation for anyone who's backpacking in Mexico. Until next video, bye bye.